Hello everybody, today I'm reviewing this Convoy light. The model name is S6. It has a throwaway beam and it uses 18650 cells. The reason I have so many Convoy lights is that they are very cheap but rarely good and reliable lights. I haven't had any problems with them, so I just keep buying them. Before I start, a quick wrist check. Today I'm wearing a Glycine Combat Sub in build. I've reviewed this watch on my channel. You can check that review if you want. So the specs and dimensions. The length is 4.75 inches or 12.1 centimeters. The width is 0.95 inches or 2.4 centimeters. And the weight with the battery is 4.4 ounces or 125 grams. As usual with Convoy lights, you can choose from many different LED emitters and tints. One of mine has a Nichia 519A LED at 3500K color temperature. And the other one has SFT 40 LED in 3000K color temperature. Both have high CRI ratings over 95, which means that the light renders colors accurately and the objects appear very close to how they look under natural light, under natural daylight. The output modes are customizable and you can switch the memory mode on or off. I chose to switch it off so that the light always turns on the lowest setting. The light is made of aluminum. I don't remember if it comes with a pocket clip, but the ones that I have are bought separately. So what I like about it, as usual with Convoy lights, the first pro is the price. You can get it anywhere from 18 to 20 US dollars, and you're getting so much for the price, like a lot. A customizable, reliable, and well-built light for under $20. It's very hard to beat at this price. So the customizable modes, LED emitters, and tints are definitely positive things about this light. The option to switch the memory mode on or off is also good to have. You can also choose different drivers, but I'm not going to go into details about it because I don't understand much in this part. The texture on the body is very smooth but grippy. You can definitely feel the quality. The performance of the light is very good. It throws the light quite far and it's bright enough for almost anything. What I don't like about it, there is not much of what I don't like about it, but I still have a few things to mention. First is the size of the light. It's quite thick and tall. It could have been slimmer in my opinion and a little shorter as well. Usually Convoy lights have lots of body colors to choose from, but not this one. This is only available in this color and only in aluminum as far as I know. Not a big problem for me, but could be mentioned as one of the negatives. The last thing I'd like to mention is the pocket clip. I like this pocket clip, but it doesn't come in the package. It's sold separately. It's not expensive, but a negative for me. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else I don't like about it. Let me show you how it works and some close-up view before I finish the video. So the long press, you switch it on. Half press, you circle through the modes. I think I have 5 modes, and then the long press you switch it off. So again, let me show you a closer look. I think this is as close as I can get to the camera. The texture on the body, the pocket clip, the switch, the reflector, So in conclusion, I like the light. It's definitely worth the price it's sold for. Will I buy it again? Definitely yes, I will. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. This will motivate me to make more videos and buy more stuff to review. Thank you for watching. Until next time.